Looking for the best window air conditioners to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 1. LG 14,000 BTU Dual Inverter Smart Air Conditioner. If you're cooling a large space and want serious power without sacrificing peace and quiet, the LG Dual Inverter 14,000 BTU window air conditioner delivers. Designed to cool rooms up to 700 square feet, this unit is a beast both in terms of size and performance. It's one of the largest models we tested, but also one of the most impressively quiet. Even when blasting cold air down to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, the noise level remained remarkably low, making it a strong choice for bedrooms, living rooms, and open concept areas. Installation is fairly straightforward for a unit this size. The only assembly required is snapping on the front panel after plugging in a single connector. Once set up, the AC gets to work fast, pushing out a strong, steady stream of cold air that cools our test space quickly and evenly. That said, we were surprised to find it lacks an auto swing function, as this limits the user's ability to control how the airflow is distributed across the room. For a high-end unit like this, that omission stood out. Still, it includes all the core features you'd expect: multiple fan and cooling modes, energy saver and sleep functions, and smart connectivity for app or voice control. If you need heavy-duty cooling with whisper quiet operation, this large window air conditioner is a top contender. Just make sure you've got the window space to handle it. Number 2. Frigidaire 8000 BTU Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi. The Frigidaire 8000 BTU window air conditioner is a reliable, well-rounded unit that delivers consistent cooling with just enough extra features to stand out. Designed to cool rooms up to 350 square feet, this traditional box-style model surprised us with its relatively quiet performance, even when running at high fan speed and its lowest setting of 60 degrees Fahrenheit. In testing, we found that it produced a strong, pleasant stream of cool air that quickly brought down the temperature of our test room. While it doesn't have auto swing functionality, the vents can be manually adjusted to direct airflow where it's needed most. It includes multiple modes: cool, fan, dry, and eco, offering flexibility depending on your comfort or energy-saving needs. One feature that stood out was its dual filter system, a standard dust filter and a pure air filter designed to improve air quality. Both are easy to access and clean, thanks to a front-facing panel that snaps off with minimal effort. The filters are reusable, which adds to the long-term value of the unit. Frigidaire also scores points for its sleek remote, which comes with batteries included and provides full control over the unit's settings. Overall, the Frigidaire is a solid pick for shoppers looking for reliable performance, quiet cooling, and easy maintenance in a mid-size room. Number 3. Windmill WhisperTech 8000 BTU Air Conditioner. The Windmill 8000 BTU Smart Air Conditioner stands out for its sleek design and impressively quiet performance. Ideal for those who want their cooling appliance to blend in rather than stand out, this unit ditches the traditional bulky look in favor of soft, rounded edges and streamlined foam side panels that create a more finished appearance in the window. This model isn't just about looks, it's also a solid performer. Thanks to its inverter-powered motor and thoughtful airflow direction, angled upward rather than straight out, the Windmill keeps rooms comfortable while maintaining a low noise profile, producing as little as 42 decibels of sound on its quietest setting. That made it one of the quietest units we tested in this size range. Controls are simple and flexible. You can use the included remote, the clean front-facing panel, or connect to the Windmill app. It's also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free operation. While it's not the most energy-efficient air conditioner on the market, it still delivers solid performance without a major hit to your electric bill. In testing, we appreciated not only the quiet output but also the premium look and feel. The foam side panels added a polished touch, and the upward airflow helps circulate cool air more effectively throughout the room.